So my tailgate handle broke. To be able to still use it, I took the whatever door thing here off and was able to manually open it. So I already took these off. Got the hardware in a bag. T30 works perfectly for the screws. I did order a new handle off eBay for like $15. And it looks like disconnect these retainers. 2 bolts actually hold the handle on. So I'll disconnect, I'll take those out, push this tab and see if it comes out, and the lock should come out just as the handle comes out. And looks like that'll hold it in place and I'll be able to transfer it. Well, this one has its own too, so I'll probably just be able to pop that right into place. An 8mm works for these bolt heads. Bolts are out. Now this, by pushing a clip in, should maneuver the panel out, handle out. Kumsa, like that. Let me figure this out. Get it up. Slides right up, straight up. So it's keyed. Should only go in one way. Push down. It's in. Cool. Just like with anything, install in the reverse order. Line those bolt holes up. Yeah, it sounds like that. I mean, I should have put the bolts in first, but a little out of order. But it's the same result. Well, it's bolted in place. That should work. I could just put the panel back on, but I'll test it. I'll be smart. Tailgate works again. Cool. $15 for a new handle and all of maybe 5 minutes from start to finish. Very easy to do. And I got a working tailgate again.